Ever wondered why commercial roofing costs so much more than residential? It's not just about size. It's about complexity, materials, and long-term performance. Commercial roofs feature massive surface areas that must withstand heavy equipment and extreme weather. That's why we use specialized materials like TPO, PVC, and EPDM, which last longer but cost more upfront. Then there's installation. Residential roofs use nail guns and adhesive, but commercial roofing, that requires heat-welded seams, industrial waterproofing, and reinforced drainage systems that prevent leaks and damage. Labor costs are also higher. These projects have specialized crews under tight deadlines because commercial buildings can't afford downtime. Another key factor? Insulation and energy efficiency. Commercial buildings lose more heat through the roof than residential homes. That's why many systems include reflective coatings, rigid insulation boards, and advanced sealing techniques to keep the buildings cool. But the biggest factor, lifespan and maintenance. A properly installed commercial roof can last decades with the right upkeep. That's why businesses invest in regular inspections and protective coatings to avoid costly repairs. A mistake on a residential roof? Maybe a leak. A mistake on a commercial roof? Massive damage, structural issues, or even code violations. Needless to say, finding the right roofing contractor is essential. That's why at Houston Roofing, we hold ourselves to the highest industry standards, including RCAT licensing and GAF Master Elite status. So if you need commercial roofing in Cypress, Texas from a team who understands the stakes, Houston Roofing has you covered. Call us today to get your free quote.